Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Knowing how to properly address an attorney in an email is crucial for making a strong professional impression. It shows respect and demonstrates your understanding of professional etiquette, which can significantly impact how your message is received. When you are sending an email to an attorney, especially for the first time or in a formal setting, your salutation sets the tone. The safest and most common way to begin is with Dear Mr./Ms/MX, last name. For example, if their name is Sarah Chen, you would write Dear Ms. Chen. If their name is John Smith, you would write Dear Mr. Smith. The gender-neutral title MX, pronounced mix, is a good option if you are unsure of their gender or if they use it themselves. Always use their last name, not their first name, in the initial formal greeting. It is important to remember that while Esquire or ESQ is sometimes used after an attorney's name on formal documents or envelopes, you should never use it in the salutation of an email itself. You wouldn't write Dear John Smith, ESQ instead, stick to Dear Mr. Smith. If you are unsure of an attorney's gender and MX feels too unfamiliar, or if you only know their full name but not their preferred title, you can sometimes use Dear Attorney, last name, such as Dear Attorney Miller, but Dear Mr./Ms/MX, last name, is generally preferred if you can confirm the appropriate title. In very rare cases, if you are sending a general inquiry to a law firm and do not have a specific attorney's name, to whom it may concern or Dear Counsel can be used, but always try to find a specific name. If the attorney holds another professional title, such as doctor, if they have a doctorate in law or another field, or professor, and they use that title professionally, you should use it. For example, Dear Dr. Evans. However, if they are a judge, you would address them as Dear Judge, last name. Once you have established a line of communication and the attorney has responded, you can often follow their lead. If they sign their email with just their first name, it is usually acceptable to address them by their first name in your subsequent replies, such as Dear Sarah or Hello John. However, if you are ever in doubt, it is always better to err on the side of formality and continue using Dear Mr./Ms/MX, last name. Maintaining a professional tone throughout the entire email, not just the salutation, is also key. Always proofread your email for any typos or grammatical errors. Use a clear and concise subject line that immediately tells the attorney what your email is about. Being professional and respectful in your communication will always serve you well. So, remember, for initial contact, Dear Mr./Ms/MX, last name, is your best bet, and for ongoing communication, follow their lead but stay formal if unsure. If this video helped you understand how to properly address an attorney in an email, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful legal tips and professional advice, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video.